Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. In today's world, a dash cam isn't just a gadget. It's your silent witness, your personal security guard, and crucial evidence in case of the unexpected. From fender benders to road rage, or even protecting your parked car, a dash cam captures every moment. I'm Review Product, and today we're diving into the best car dash cams on the market. We've researched the top 5 models that combine stellar video quality, smart features, and reliability to give you peace of mind on every journey. Ready to equip your ride with the best eyewitness? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Miofive Mini 2. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Miofive Mini 2. This dash cam stands out for its ultra-compact size and discreet design, making it almost invisible once installed behind your rearview mirror. The biggest advantage is that it provides excellent video quality, often 2.5K or 1440p in a tiny footprint, ensuring crucial details are captured without obstructing your view. It's incredibly easy to install, often with a simple adhesive mount, and perfect for drivers who want reliable recording without a bulky device on their windshield. Its focus is on unobtrusive, high-quality front-facing recording. Pros: ultra-compact and discreet design, blends seamlessly into the car interior. High video resolution, e.g. 2.5K 1440p, captures clear footage, easy quick installation, simple adhesive mount. Affordable for its video quality, less distracting to the driver. Cons: limited features, typically offers basic recording without advanced parking modes or rear camera options. No screen on the device, relying solely on smartphone app for viewing settings. Wi-Fi connectivity for app might be slow on some models. Relies on adhesive mount, which might degrade in extreme heat over time. Key features: discreet design, high-resolution front recording, easy installation, app control. Number 4. Vantrue E360. Next up at number 4 we have the incredibly comprehensive Vantrue E360. This dash cam is a powerhouse for all-around vehicle surveillance, offering a true 360-degree recording experience. The biggest advantage is its ability to capture simultaneous footage from the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle, often with high resolution from multiple lenses. This provides unparalleled coverage for accidents, rideshare incidents, or protecting against vandalism from all angles. It often includes robust parking modes, GPS, and Wi-Fi, making it a complete surveillance system for your car. Pros: true 360-degree coverage, records front, rear, and interior simultaneously. High multi-channel resolution, captures details from all angles, excellent for rideshare drivers or those wanting full vehicle surveillance. Robust parking modes and motion detection. Durable build quality. Cons: more complex installation, requires careful routing of multiple cables for all lenses. Higher price point due to advanced multi-lens system. Can take up more space on the windshield dashboard due to multiple components. Large video files require high-capacity SD cards. Key features: 360-degree multi-lens recording, front, rear, interior coverage, robust parking features, GPS, Wi-Fi. Number 3. 70mm 4K Omni Dashcam. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the innovative 70mm 4K Omni Dashcam. This dashcam is a true marvel of engineering, known for its unique 360-degree rotating lens and stunning 4K video quality. The biggest advantage is its ability to capture crystal-clear, ultra-high-definition footage with incredible detail no matter the direction. The motorized 360-degree rotation allows you to record any angle around your car instantly, and it often features advanced AI detection for collision or suspicious activity, making it a proactive and highly versatile witness on the road. Its sleek, spherical design is also a head-turner. Pros: stunning 4K video resolution, captures extremely clear and detailed footage. Motorized 360-degree rotating lens, records every angle around the car. Advanced AI features includes collision detection, parking surveillance. Sleek, modern, and unique spherical design. Excellent night vision capabilities. Cons: higher price point, premium features come with a premium cost. The motorized movement might be slightly audible to some users. Can be a bit larger than traditional discrete dash cams. Relies heavily on smartphone app for full control and viewing. Key features: 4K video, 360-degree rotating lens, AI motion detection, voice control, integrated GPS. Number 2. Escort Maxcam 360C. Our runner-up at number 2 is a powerhouse for advanced drivers, the Escort Maxcam 360C. This dashcam takes integration and performance to the next level. The biggest advantage is its seamless integration with high-performance radar and laser detection from Escort's renowned radar detectors. Combining dashcam functionality with critical driver alerts, it captures clear video footage while simultaneously providing real-time warnings about speed traps and potential hazards. Its robust build quality, cloud connectivity, and advanced features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it an ultimate driving companion for those who demand both evidence recording and proactive awareness on the road. Pros: integrated radar and laser detection combines dashcam with performance alerts. High-quality video recording captures clear footage for evidence. Cloud connectivity and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, easy file transfer and updates. Comprehensive driver assistance features, premium build quality and reliable performance. Cons: very high price point. A significant investment due to integrated radar detection. Radar detection features may not be legal in all regions. Can be a more complex device to set up and manage due to multiple functionalities. May require a subscription for cloud features. Key features: dashcam with integrated radar, laser detection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, advanced driver alerts, premium build. Number 1. Nextbase 422 gigawatts dashcam. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the Nextbase 422 gigawatts dashcam. This model takes our top spot due to its unbeatable balance of stellar video quality, user-friendly features, and innovative safety functionalities. The biggest advantage is its crystal-clear 1440p HD recording, capturing vital details like license plates. It features a responsive touchscreen for easy control, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi for quick file transfer, and crucially, an emergency SOS feature that can alert emergency services in case of a crash. Its Click-and-Go Pro mount makes installation and removal effortless. It's the perfect blend of evidence recording, smart connectivity, and proactive safety, making it the ultimate eyewitness and guardian for every driver on the road. Pros: excellent 1440p HD video quality, captures clear and detailed footage. Emergency SOS feature, can automatically alert emergency services after a crash. Responsive touchscreen, easy to navigate settings and view footage. Click-and-Go Pro magnetic mount, simple installation and removal. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for connectivity, offers great value for its comprehensive features. Cons: requires a microSD card sold separately. Emergency SOS feature may require a subscription after a trial period. Can be a bit larger than mini dashcams. Key features: 1440p HD recording, emergency SOS touchscreen, Click-and-Go Pro mount, GPS.